Programming access control functions in a TIS door phone. Welcome to this TIS training video. In this tutorial, you will learn how to configure the access control functions of a TIS door phone, including remote door unlocking, card access, PIN code access, remote door unlocking. Any TIS indoor screen can remotely unlock up to 2 doors from the intercom page using DTMF unlock commands. Configuring the DTMF settings. To configure the DTMF settings on the door phone, log in to the door phone configuration page. Open Access. Select Access Control. Under Relay Settings, set DTMF Relay 1 to 0. Set DTMF Relay 2 to hashtag. Configuring a public PIN. On the same access control page, you can configure the MasterCard and the public PIN. The public PIN allows any authorized user to unlock the door using a shared PIN code. To create or modify a public PIN, click Add. Enter the desired PIN code. Select which relay the PIN will unlock. Save the settings. The default public PIN is 0000. For improved security, it is recommended to replace the default PIN with your own custom code. Configuring a MasterCard. To add a MasterCard, enable the MasterCard option. Click Red. Present the card in front of the door phone. The system will automatically read and store the card's unique ID. All TIS door phones support MIFARE cards. Some models also support both MIFARE and RF proximity cards. Adding individual users. To create individual users with their own PIN codes or access cards, open Access. Select Person. Click Add. Enter the user's name. Select the appropriate person type. Enter the room number. Choose the PIN generation method. The random option is recommended. Enter or generate the desired PIN. To register an access card, simply present the card to the outdoor panel when prompted. The maximum number of permitted entries. Which relay the user is authorized to unlock. The activation date and expiration date for the PIN or access card. Also, for the door phone which supports door opening via face recognition, there are 2 ways to add a face. Via the browser settings, go to Person Settings and upload the face picture. Via the outdoor station, go to Settings, User, New User. Then enter the username and room number. You can also add the face, card, and PIN from this menu. These settings provide flexible and secure access control for residents, staff, and visitors. For advanced access control features and additional programming options, please watch the Advanced TIS Door Phone Programming Training video. Thank you for watching.